Good evening to everyone out here. And to begin with, in this video, there's a small video about a small project that I completed recently about ESP32. And in this video, I would be basically demonstrating a small audio playback with PCM5122 DAC sound card that I have here that is interfaced with my ESP32 board that I have here. There's a ESP room 32 board that we have here. So basically, this board is actually sitting on a what can you say, a carrier board actually that we manufactured, that we created actually, that we soldered and we built it using this carrier board. And here, along with it, you can see a small FTDI debugger actually. So basically, FTDI 2232 chip that is connected over JTAG to the main board actually. The ESP32 basically it's connected over JTAG. So uh, the common JTAG signals are basically used, and there's a VCC switch actually that I have provided actually, so that we can switch between the, since the board can be powered from both FTDI as well as through the USB of this one. So basically, a switch has been provided to switch between any one of them at the same time, at one time, but not both actually. So that has been taken care of. So to begin with, in this system that we can see here, we have a SD card, actually a SD card module that we have here, and that is being interfaced to the ESP32 using SPI actually. So basically, data is read from the SPI, from the SD card using SPI actually over DMA. So one thing that I would like to add here is that these modules that we have, that I have kept here, are also available in the market, but then these don't work with ESP32. There is some issue with it. They work fine with Arduino compatible boards, actually, Arduino boards actually, like ATmega or ATmega 832560, and Arduino Uno actually, Uno boards actually, but not with this ESP32 actually. There's some issue with it. So somebody suggested, like, to resolve it, we can bypass the voltage regulator, and so I soldered it as you can see here. But still, then it wasn't work. It didn't work with this ESP32 for HDHC card actually, because most of the cards, SD cards that we are now seeing are all SDHC actually. So they are not single definitions ones actually. So basically, the high definitions ones, they don't work actually with this uh, SD card module, return module actually. So we use this module, and it was basically successfully to able to read the data over SPI actually. So SPI's interface is being used to interface this SD card with this. And then to talk about this, coming to talk about this audio stack sound card, is this piano 2.0 actually sound card from Allo actually, that features a PCM5122 DAC chip that you can see here. This is the PCM5122 actually. So, and then this actually sound card is interfaced to ESP32 using I2C for control, and writing and reading to the configuration registers of this PCM5122 DAC chip, and I2S for the audio data actually. So there are two things actually. So basically, to control and the audio data actually. So that's about the interfacing part with this for this PCM5122 as a audio, as a I2S slave actually, to this master, I2C master and I2S master, ESP32 actually. So basically, after that, we can say that this PCM32, sorry, 32-bit PCM is supported, and it is able to play it. So basically, we have programmed the driver in that way. That is, we have configured the driver registers in that way using this Visual Studio EspressIF IDE that is that comes with this actually, comes with ESP32 actually. So basically, the driver is written on that, and there is an application that has been developed using that actually, using this Visual Studio SF actually ID. And next, we would see a small demo actually, how it works actually. So to begin with, let's start the power on it actually. Yeah, we can see that. Okay, the volume is a bit less actually, I think. successfully. So the audio data is being read from the SD card by the ESP32 using my application actually, and this data is sent via I2S to the DAC sound card, and then to this DAC sound card to the I2S channel using DMA. Basically, DMA is used actually both in the reading of this SD card data as well as playing audio playback. Actually, both uses the DMA actually. So this we can say actually. So that's about it actually. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas to all. Stay safe. Thank you. Thank you very much.